Hi everyone. Today I will be providing you with a quick overview of our visitor gate access control system named OnGuard. OnGuard is used by gated communities to control visitors and contractors who wish to gain access to the community. After logging in as an administrator, you will be taken to the administrative dashboard after you have pressed the Continue button on the welcome screen. As you can see, there are 5 large buttons. These large buttons make it easier to use OnGuard when you are using either an iPad or an iPhone. In this case, you are logged into a Windows desktop computer. This demonstration system is identical to our commercially available system. Although you can see this demonstration system is running on FileMaker version 17. We have tested it on FileMaker 18 and it run just fine. On the top right of the screen you will see an question mark icon. Pressing this icon will take you to our administrative help screen. By pressing any of the buttons you will be taken to tutorials that are designed to show the administrators how to use a specific function. Returning back to the administrative dashboard screen. We have also provided an information icon that will take you to an About OnGuard screen. This screen provides information as to the serial number, version date, and version of OnGuard this is in use, as well as other information such as how to get help with contact information and the user license, access to the OnGuard website, and information on the licensee. Returning to the administrative dashboard. We will now demonstrate the Issue Visitor Pass function. This screen has been designed for security guard personnel by security guard personnel. Its purpose is to provide all the information necessary to make a decision as to either admit or deny access to a visitor within 10 seconds. A typical scenario is that a visitor pulls up to the gate and after a warm greeting from the security guard the conversation will be to ask the visitor who they wish to visit. After ascertaining identification, the security guard will press the Find Resident button. A screen will appear and ask whether to search by the last name or address. In this case we will choose last name. In this case we will type in home, which is short for homeowner, the last name of the resident. Another screen shows the found choices. We will press the icon to pull up the resident record. The visitor is named Noah Adams. Since he is a permanent authorized guest and the resides is not restricted, authorizing the security guard to admit the visitor by logging him in and issuing a pass. The security guard will press the Choose Pass Type button and choose the Authorized Guests button. Answering the Do you wish to add a visitor, the guard will press the OK button. By pressing the drop-down arrow on the visitor name field, Noah Adams' name will appear. Pressing this choice will fill in the field. Next the security guard will fill in the vehicle plate information for Mr. Adams. The security guard may also fill in other information required by the community. As you will note, the date and time of the visitor pass has been automatically entered. In this case we assume a 1-day pass for the visitor. Optionally, the security guard can send either an email and/or an SMS text message to the resident advising them of the impending visit by Mr. Adams. To issue the visitor pass, the security guard will then press the Print Pass button. Since this is a demonstration, the security guard will press the Show Only button. As you can see, the visitor pass shows the community pass including directions to the residence. Once finished, the guard will press Enter and wait for the next visitor by closing the screen. This Issue Visitor Pass input screen also has its own help function. Pressing the question mark icon on the top right, you will now see the help tutorials expressly designed for the gate security personnel. Returning now to the Issue Visitor Pass input screen. You can take the time to view all the other information available to the security guard. We will now quickly examine the Residential Records screen. This is the screen that allows the administrative personnel the ability to create, read, edit, and delete data about the residents of the community. Due to the limitation of time, the screen shows the amount of information about the resident, including the ability to insert pictures of the residents, their children and other residents, as well as persons who are barred from visiting this R4 resident. Additional functions available are a calendar, a residential listing, and actions including adding a new resident record, showing all records, sorting records, presenting a list view of records, and deleting records. These functions also include a search or a find function. Feel free to browse and edit the fields. Now returning to the administrative detail screen, we will now quickly show you the Find Other Data screen that enables the administrative personnel with the ability to search for data about the residents' children, their vehicles, visitor vehicle information and owner records. Feel free to browse each function. We will now return to the administrative detail screen. We will now quickly cover the Reports screen. I will show you the Visitor Log Report. Press the Visitor Log Report and view the option of two types of reports. In this instance, we will choose the Visitor Log Report. Once pressed, you will see the ability to show all visitors or show visitors by resident. In this instance, we will show all visitors by pressing the appropriate button. You will now be presented to show all visitors by all dates or a date range. In this instance, we will press the Date Range button. In the Date from Data entry box, press the calendar icon and choose June 13, 2019. And then press the Run Report button. A report will be generated. Your choices are to print the report, export the report in Microsoft Excel format, or just view the report. In this instance, we will just view the report by pressing the View button. As you can see, 3 records appear. By pressing the icon on the left, you will be taken to the original source document. When finished browsing, please press the Close button on the bottom of the report. Once closed, you will be taken back to the main reports screen. Feel free to examine all the various standard reports and then return to the administrative dashboard screen. Now we will quickly cover the administrative functions in OnGuard. By pressing the Administrative button, you will now view the Administrative Functions screen. Now most of these functions are set once and not touched again. The one exception is the User Setup. By pressing this button, you will be shown the input screen for adding administrative and security guards to be authorized users. We will now add a new user. It is an administrator named Bill Jones. Bill's account name will be added as Bill Jones with the privilege set of admin, and the password will be Demo999. This password must be changed to a permanent password when Bill Jones logs in for the first time. Once finished, please press the Close button to return to the Administrative Functions screen. To return to the administrative dashboard, please press the Home button on the top menu. This ends the quick overview of OnGuard. We appreciate your time. If you have any questions, you can call me at 772-204-5865 and or email me at john@sysdesignwiz.com.